facing an eBay account restriction and need to prove you're a legitimate seller. Let's get that invoice sorted to get you back in business. First, you'll need to create a clear and professional invoice. This document is your evidence. Start by opening your preferred document software, like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or even a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. At the very top of your invoice, you'll want to clearly display your business name or personal name, your full address, and your contact information via your phone number and email address. Next, under your information, you'll need to add the buyer's details. This is typically the customer's name and address, as it appeared on their eBay order. Every invoice needs a unique identifier. Create an invoice number and a clear date issued. A sequential numbering system is best for your records. Now for the core of the invoice, the itemized list. For each item sold to that customer, you'll need to list the product name or SKU, the quantity purchased, the unit price, and importantly, the total price for that individual item. After listing all items, calculate and display the subtotal if applicable. Add any sales tax collected. Finally, clearly state the grand total amount paid by the buyer. This should match the actual transaction amount on eBay. It's also good practice to include payment terms, even if it's just paid in full. You can also add a brief note about your return policy if you wish. To finalize, add a line for your signature or a digital company stamp if you have one. This adds a layer of legitimacy. Once complete, save your invoice as a PDF. This format is universally accepted and preserves your formatting. Now, you can upload this professional invoice to eBay to help resolve your account restrictions.